Nurse Ana Maria Lanzarote, and graduate from San Francisco University. Tapos, may preparatory, and then I finished my college at Galang Medical Center.
So, anong school po kayo nag-work ngayon?
School, actually, hired ako ng DepEd. Kaya lang, we have schools specifically assigned. May schools para sa amin. We are 7 nurses at DepEd. So, dito ako assigned sa city sa Santa Teresa, Taguig City.
Okay po. So, yung first question ko po, can you share your nursing background, experiences, and skills that have prepared you to work extensively as a school nurse?
After 2 years siguro, graduated from nursing and then passed the board. Nag-work ako sa Mandaluyong Medical Center na as a nurse, a staff nurse. So, ang preparatory ko sa hospital, and then after a year or and a half, nag-transfer ako sa school nurse, division of Rizal, under DepEd also, Region 4. So, doon ako, that's my first work in the school. Tapos, doon ako na-train, doon ako nahasa ng school. And then, that's only temporary item no? So, after noon, nag-apply na ako for a permanent position, national. So, I transferred in the National Capital Region. So, I would say yung my experience in Rizal, Region 4, na-train ako na ng Luzon.
So, yung second question po is, what advice you can give to the students who aspire to become a nurse in the future?
Well, when you're getting a nurse na kurso, hindi nyo iisipin yung ano ino-offer ng nursing na kurso. Pagka-graduate nyo, pwede na kayo pumunta sa US or Pag kumuha kayo ng nursing, dapat hindi na inaano niya sa kurso ninyo because you are dealing with patients. No? So, bayaan niyo muna, tabi niyo muna yung pangarap niyo. Although kasama yan sa pangarap niyo, pero ilagay niyo sa puso niyo, hindi lang ang nursing kasi is not just work. It's something that you put into your heart. No? So, dapat matyaga kayo. Sabi nga nila, ang puso daw ng nurse ay matiisin. No? Eventually, after you have already your experience, pwede na kayong pa sa mas mataas na plano. Eventually, you can go to sa ibang bansa.
So, yung last question na lang po. If you were given a chance to choose other field of nursing, what would it be and why?
I'm planning to retire by 60 years old. And then, plano ko magturo sa nursing. No? Pero, depende. Pero kung wala ako dito sa school-based na work, I might as well work in the hospital. Pero ngayon na I'm already on my mid of 50s, I might as well go into teaching. Yes.
Thank you po.